good morning, everyone, to all of our viewers. So once again, this is Jody, your host for Gandis Espresso Lounge. So this is your virtual coffee table where we catch up with our nurses, PTs, and our OPs, no? And for today, ayan, medyo woke up like this pa yung itsura natin, no? Kasi we're very lucky that we will be joined by one of our esteemed physical therapists, no, in the US, no? So it's actually I think it's 9 p.m. around their time right now, 9:30 p.m., no? That's why 10:30 a.m. here in the Philippines, no? So let me welcome to you, no other than Miss Ashel Mendoza. Ayan. Hello.
Ah, hello po.
Ayan. So Miss Ashel, kamusta ka? Can you introduce yourself, no, para makilala ka ng mga viewers natin?
Hi po, my name is Ashel and I am currently at Glens Falls, New York. I've been here since May 1st and I've only been here for like 6 months.
Wow, 6 months, no?
6 months. Ang bilis
Yeah.
na.
Oo. Kamusta yung weather diyan, Miss Ashel, 'no? So, six
Ang,
months, so summer ba yun or winter ka ba or autumn nung dumating?
spring pa ata nung dumating ako. Medyo malamig
Kasi
pa.
nabanggit ko, 'no?
Mm-mm.
Ayan, so spring, mas malamig na. And right now, pa-winter na ba?
Oh, fall. Kaka-fall lang pero ang lamig-lamig na.
Oh, okay, 'no?
Mm-mm.
So, ayan. So, kung if 6 months ago, so that was around May or April ba, Miss
May po, May 1.
A?
Mm.
Yan. May 1, 'no? Labor Day.
Mm-mm. Labor Day.
Ayan, 'no. So, kamusta naman yung arrival experience, 'no, Miss Ashel?
Actually parang, smooth lang po yung arrival kasi pagdating namin nung dalawang PT rin na ano na sa
Hmm,
airport ko lang nakilala,
yes.
may driver na nag-aantay dun sa ano, sa airport. Tsaka after nun, pinag-drive kami hanggang sa anong tawag dun? Sa staff house para
Oh,
mag-rest muna bago mag-start sa mga kung ano man yung kailangan. Tapos
okay.
nung day 2 lahat ng paperwork tsaka nag-open kami ng bank tsaka nag-medical and then nakapaglibot-libot kami after nun kasi meron
Wow.
pang time.
Yan, 'no. So, day 2, 'no. So kailan kayo officially nag-start sa facility after you arrived
Um,
Japan?
day 4 ko po nag-start agad ako. Tapos yung mga kasama ko, Monday pagka next week tsaka yung isa Wednesday. Ako yung
Mm.
una.
Iba talaga, 'no. So, ikaw ang unang sumabak, 'no. By
Mm.
the way pala, Miss Ashel, 'no, para makapag-hi din tayo, 'no. So, from what, university or school are you here, dito sa Philippines din po pala?
From Riverside College po, from Bacolod City.
Wow! So, hello sa mga viewers natin from Riverside College, 'no? And I think we really have a lot of alumni, no, from Riverside College, not just Miss Ashel. Ayan, so nakakatuwa naman. Okay, no. And just a curious question, no, Miss Ashel, kasi I think the average time for a PT to come to the United States, no, Filipino PT, no, since my NPTE review pa, no, and my credentialing, I think it would be like at least 18 months through H1B processing. How about on your case, no? Ilang years or months bago ka nakarating ng United States?
About 3 years po.
Wow,
Kasi,
3.
um, triny po ng ang Grandison na ilagay yung name ko sa lottery para mas mabilis. Kaya
Yes.
lang, 3 beses ata nilagay, wala talaga.
Oo.
Pero okey lang din kasi, kahit 3 years yung inantay ko, immigrant visa na rin pagdating.
Yes, no, exactly. So naka-green card. So nakuha mo na yung green card mo, Miss
Yes
Ashel?
po, about 2 weeks
Congratulations.
ata after
Yeah, 2 weeks
dumating.
after your trip. Wow,
Mm.
okay, that's great, 'no? And I think that's one advantage din kapag sa United States nag-migrate, 'no, compared to other countries kasi, for example, if it's Australia, some or most of our PTs, I think, take the student pathway, 'no? So, parang nag-aaral ulit, 'no, pagdating nila ng Australia,
Mm.
'yan. And I think the PTs who choose United States, they're very lucky, 'no, kasi immigrant visa na nga, like what you mentioned, Miss Ashel, 'no? hindi man sinuwerte sa work visa 'no, si Miss Asiel, hindi man sinuwerte sa lottery 'no, naka-green card naman siya 'no, ayan. So, so ito just a curious question lang din Miss Asiel 'no, so that was 3 years ago 'no, so I assumed it was 3 years ago na nag-sign up ka rin kay Grandison 'no. So during the time you, signed up, were there any specific benefits of working with Grandison or maybe working in the United States? That stood up to you compared to other countries or other staffing agencies, ganyan.
What stood up, with, for Grandison is yung scholarship program po. Kasi yung, lahat ng, financially I mean, yes, lahat ng mga bayarin sa pag-alis galing sa NPT exam, reviews, lahat ng visa, um, kagaya po ng mga PT sa yung, kagaya ko po ng mga PTs na nasa Pinas na nagwo-work, hindi po enough yung ine-earn para maka-start as early as possible. But with Grandison, after ko mag-exam sa, tawag dito, local boards sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas, nag-review agad ako, for NPTE, with the help of Grandison.
Okay, wow 'no. And curious lang din ako 'no, so right after you pass the local board, so since you reviewed na for NPTE 'no, so were you able to have a chance to work muna here in the Philippines 'no, and practice your profession? Kasi iba pa rin, eh, sabi ng iba 'di ba, to have a private practice here in the Philippines para at least ma-apply mo sa United States.
After ko po nag-local boards, nag-work muna ako dun sa Bacolod.
Yes.
Tapos, nung nag-review ako sa Manila, nag-continue na lang as home care para habang nagwo-work may nagpa-practice pa rin ng ano, as PT.
Wow, okay. So,
Mm.
thank you, no? So, same with what you did, Miss Asiel, no? Do you recommend sa other PTs aspiring to work in the United States to at least have experience here in the Philippines before they migrate? Yan, ganyan.
Yeah, yes, at least, maybe a little para pagdating dito di ka naman ma-shock pagdating. Yun
Mm.
na, kasi
Sa
pagdating work agad. Tapos yung ibang facility dito, parang 1 day lang yung ano, yung training tapos 'pag next day ikaw na agad mag-isa. Pero mas okey din na may experience. Pero with Grandison nakapasok ako kahit ilang months pa lang ata yung ano, yung experience ko nung nag-start ako kasi kaka-boards ko lang din naman.
yeah, thank you for mentioning that, no? So, that's right, no? So, I think, um, our recruiters 'no, nasa chat box din sila. So if you have any questions guys, feel free to ask questions 'no. So, Garnison accepts 'no, even yung mga reviewees pa lang, for the local boards 'no. And I think the good thing katulad ng sinabi ni Miss Asiel is that, there is no specific, experience requirements 'no. So even while reviewing, you can apply to Grandison 'no. Puwede ka sila makakuha ng local board reimbursement. I think during your time baka wala pang local board review
Wala pa po.
'no. But right now, there's a local board review reimbursement 'no, to help the reviewees din 'no, after they pass the boards. And yun nga, walang work experience requirement. The good thing is we even push our PTs 'no, to have experience or practice muna here in the Philippines. Kasi iba rin, eh, it's like kailan ka pa once you migrate, kailan ka pa ba ulit makakabalik ng Pilipinas to give back to your country, 'no? I think that's
True.
one factor din 'no. And ikaw ba personally, Miss Asiel, was USA always a dream for you or did you even consider other countries po like Dubai, Singapore, Canada, or Australia?
For me po it's always been, USA. Pero akala ko before ko nalaman yung ano, yung Grandison, akala ko
Mm,
it would take me like 10, 15 years kasi, I thought kailangan ko ng like 5 years at least 5 years experience, tapos ang dami pang paperwork na kailangang bayaran at i-submit. Pero with
yeah,
Grandison, like, it was shortened tapos nakarating ako dito like after 3 years.
yeah, 3 years is nothing
Okay.
'no, parang bilis lang.
Bilis lang. Tapos para sa mga ano, parang sa iba na na-overwhelm na mag-start, parang ginamit ko yung 3 years na yun habang nagpo-process na nag-bond din sa family tsaka friends ko na nasa Pilipinas
Wow,
before ako
'no.
ma-deploy.
'No? So kamusta naman yung 6 months 'no? So sobra bang naho-homesick? How did you adjust? 'no?
Oo, nung first month po sobrang sobrang homesick, iyak-iyak gano'n.
Oo,
Pero
hmm,
parang, nasuwertehan po ako sa ano, sa facility dito kasi, I have a great rehab team. Kasi, kahit one day lang yung training, after nun lahat sila nag-help talaga kasi, iba rin yung parang rules din dito, tsaka yung mga notes na ginagawa. Tapos okey lang din, halos, ayun halos lahat din sila nag-ano rin, kasi alam nila na nasa ibang country tapos nag-a-adjust
yes.
pa ako, nag-help naman sila lahat.
Were there other Filipino PTs or Grandison PTs na kasama mo sa facility?
Wala po.
Swerte
Ako
wala.
lang yung Pinay.
Swerte wala 'no, ikaw lang yung Pinay, but they are very helpful 'no?
Mm.
So natanong ko lang kasi I think for other PTs 'no, like for example, those assigned in Grand Healthcare Centers 'no, usually kapag na-assign sila sa mga gano'ng facilities, they do have, co-Grandison PTs 'no, na nakaalalay din pagdating nila. And ikaw Miss Asiel, so saang facility ka ulit naka-assign?
Sa Warren Center po dito sa, Queensberry, mga 15 minutes away, pero it's
What
a, skilled nursing facility.
skilled nursing facility, is it also under Centers or Grand
Yeah,
Healthcare? Oh, Center.
centers po.
Ayan, so familiar kasi 'no. So
Mm.
so grabe 'no, challenge na kaagad yung ikaw lang yung Pinay diyan,
Mm.
'no.
Tapos
So
nasa
sige po.
tapos nasa upstate pa po kasi
Oo, upstate pa 'no. So,
mm.
kamusta naman yung cost of living diyan 'no? So upstate iba-iba rin kasi 'no, hindi lang siya per state. I'm sure na iba-iba rin yung cost of living if downstate or upstate. So, kamusta naman yung cost of living diyan sa upstate?
Um, ano parang mas okey po dito, mas affordable,
Hmm,
especially yung apartments.
yes.
Kasi may mga friends din ako na nasa New York City, so kino-compare naman namin minsan yung cost of living, parang mas okey dito sa upstate.
Yeah. So, si upstate nga pala, okey, si New York City kasi is downstate 'no?
Mhm.
'Yan, so talagang mga city views 'no? I think si upstate ito yung mga medyo more scenic part of New York?
Mm. Opo,
Ayan,
puro
okey.
hiking gano'n.
So, kamusta 'no, during your weekends ba nakaka-visit ka sa mga I think may mga falls pa nga diyan, eh, 'di ba sa
Sobrang
upstate?
daming ano, hiking trails. Kaya
Ye
'pag may time, 'pag weekend, tsaka may mga Pinay din dito na ano, nakilala ko rin na nasa ibang center.
mm.
Tsaka ayun, lumalabas kami 'pag weekends.
Yes 'no. And kamusta pala yung paghahanap mo ng apartment, Miss Asiel 'no? Kasi parang nag-iisa kang Pinay, wala ka ba kasamang Grandison PT diyan 'no? Was it
Mm.
difficult for you? Kasi parang 1 month lang yung free housing allowance 'no. I know it's the big thing 'no, yung 1 month, pero kamusta 'no, yung paghanap mo ng apartment diyan?
It was a struggle sa, paghahanap kasi yung ano dito, parang lahat hinahanapan ng credit score, tsaka
Hmm.
rental history. Eh, kasi galing akong Pilipinas, wala naman akong credit card dun. Wala akong credit history, wala akong rental history kasi nasa bahay lang din naman ako nakatira. Pero nag-help din naman yung Grandison, nagbigay sila ng employment letter. So, nakalagay dun lahat ng details na puwedeng ibigay dun sa, mga landlord,
Yeah.
instead of credit history. Kaya lang medyo mahirap kasi sabi nila, "Next time na lang kung may rental history ka na."
Oh, so
Mm.
buti na lang nahanap mo pa rin yung apartment na 'yan 'no?
Mm.
Ayan.
Ano, kasi ano rin yung landlady parang immigrant din ata galing sa ibang bansa kaya naintindihan niya yata yung struggle ng ano, nung
Yes,
mga yung bagong dating.
oo. I think 'no, parang karamihan nga ata ng mga PTs natin talagang yung mga nagiging landlord nila mga immigrant din 'no, kung hindi
Mm.
Pinoy na immigrant 'no, mga foreigners na immigrant. Because the struggle 'no, is real 'no. But good thing 'no, nakapag-provide din naman si Grandison ng employment history 'no, and you found a great, landlord 'no, na
One
immigrant.
week before natapos yung ano, yung 1 month na accommodation.
Hala, sobrang nakaka-pressure naman. So, parang buzzer beater 'no, 1 week na
Mm.
1 week na lang saan ako titira, my gosh. Kaka-pressure. So,
Mm.
um, na-curious lang ako bigla 'no. So, do you have any relatives sa New York or sa USA?
Wala po. Good thing
Tagal,
wala po talagang ano kakilala.
kailangan. Kailangan talagang maging strong, independent woman and
Mm.
maghanap ng apartment. Okay. So, 'no, so I know challenging na yung paghahanap ng apartment 'no, pero aside from that, what do you think is the biggest challenge na naranasan mo or the biggest challenge that you had during your first week or maybe first month or throughout the 6 months na nandiyan ka sa United States?
Actually yung ano, yung, tawag dito, yung car.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi, nung first 3 months, yung center ko yung nagbayad ng ano, nung taxi, like
Yes.
papuntang work, pauwi. Tapos
Mm.
after nun, like kinat nila kasi sabi nila hanggang 3 months lang tapos walang jeep dito.
Ang
Ang hirap,
tricycle yun.
walang tricycle. Tapos ano, kasi dito upstate walang trains, gano'n. Yung trains nila papuntang city or papuntang ibang lugar. So,
Mm.
'pag nasa loob ka lang ng city na 'to, wala kang ano, walang train. Tapos yung bus schedules 'di nagco-coincide sa schedule ko sa work. Kaya medyo
Hmm.
struggle yung, um, after nung 3 months na 'di na nila binayaran yung ano, yung yung taxi ko papuntang work.
Okay. So, ano ginawa mo, Miss Asiel? Did you get a car? Or hangga't
Kinontak ko po yung ano, yung IAS.
oh, yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Kasi nag-no ako before, sabi ko next time na lang muna.
Oo, yes.
Gano'n.
So,
Oo,
kamusta
tapos
na-release na ba ang kotse?
hmm?
Na-releasan ka na ba ng kotse? Akala mo
Ay hindi
dali
pa po.
ay hindi pa.
Nag-order po ako nung like last month lang. Pero
Yeah.
after nung order, nagbigay agad sila ng rental car. So,
Oh,
hanggang hinihintay pa yung car, may car na ako na ginagamit ngayon.
okay. So,
So
that's
mas
very great 'no, medyo hindi na
mm,
mahirapan.
kasi ang mahal ng Uber.
Oo, 'di ba parang mas ayaw naman natin na parang yung sahod natin pupunta lang sa Uber 'no? And just a
Mm.
curious question 'no, what yung pagpunta mo kay IAS, the loan or the car loan 'no, was it a personal process or did you avail of the car loan assistance din ni Grandison?
I availed the car loan assistance ni Grandison.
Okay, okay 'no. So good thing meron din tayong car loan assistance 'no? Ayan.
Mm.
So overall, Miss Asiel 'no, can we like get little personal and ask you 'no, kung kamusta ka ngayon? Kamusta ang American life? 'No?
Okey naman po so far. Like,
Mm.
kinda unexpected din kasi akala ko pagdating dito, mahihirapan ako masyado akong mahihirapan kasi siyempre wala akong family dito. Tapos ako lang yung Pinoy dun sa facility. Pero parang nasuwertehan lang din gano'n sa facility dito sa city kung saan ako na-deploy kasi, I feel safer din kasi ako lang mag-isa. Tapos, may nakilala ko mga Pinoy din na mga mga nurse ata sila lahat na
Yes,
kaya yun
mm.
so may help din ako nung second month ko kasi second month ko sila nakilala. So, okey
Ayan.
lang din.
Kamusta nagkakaroon ka pa ba ng time to like meet up or catch up with your co-PTs diyan sa US? Sa ngayon wala pa?
Yung mga Grandison PTs
Oo,
din po.
yes.
Um, so far hindi pa,
Mm.
kasi kakakuha ko lang din ng card tsaka di nag-aano yung schedule namin. Kasi di namin nakita, um, timing nga na nag-ask ka kasi yung isa kanina nandito pala sa ano, sa place ko tsaka, nakita ko lang din na nandito sila tapos chinat ko ano, gano'n.
Kita-kita
Kaya
naman
yun
tayo.
nagplan na kami na magkikita.
Oo. So, kahit next time hindi na siya maging drawing 'no, mag-match na yung mga schedules.
Hindi na
So, natanong ko lang
drawing-drawing.
siya 'no, kasi parang siyempre mag-isa ka diyan 'no. I was wondering kasi it's important 'no, to have a support system 'no. Kasi iba rin naman talaga yung support na nabibigay kapag galing sa peers 'no, 'cause there's a type of support na manggagaling sa employer, pero it's different 'no, kapag meron kang, peers 'no, families or support system na talagang nakakausap mo everyday or nakikipag-socialize ka with 'no. Yan.
Mm.
And 'no, still relevant 'no, kung kamusta ang American life 'no. Kamusta po ang salary sa United States? Does it match 'no? Kasi natanong ko kanina yung cost of living 'no. Does it match your cost of living and kamusta yung quality life? How does it affect your quality life? Can you say na talagang it's a good choice na nag-United States ka? Ayan.
Oo, yung salary po parang, okey naman po kasi, um, nakakapag-live naman ako dito ng comfortable life, nababayaran ko lahat ng kailangan, tapos may pera naman panggala.
Yeah.
Tsaka, kahit po 6 months pa lang help na po ako sa family ko na nasa, Philippines, kaya okey naman, parang nagma-match naman lahat.
Yes, yes. I think that's one of the most important things, no, yung nakakatulong tayo sa family natin in the Philippines. Yan, congratulations on that, no, Miss Asiel, no?
Yeah.
Like 6 months pa lang, no?
Mm.
So, um, tingin mo ba, Miss Asiel, can you think of one long-term goal, no? Kasi for the PTs who are watching here right now, no, we also want to help them navigate, no, their choices, no? 'Cause katulad ngayon, parang dati kasi parang ang choices mo lang is United States or Middle East ka, no? But right now, it's very diverse. There's a lot of options. There's Canada, there's UK, there's Dubai, no? Australia, no? So, do you think or can you think of one long-term goal na sa tingin mo or that you have in mind that you think, can only be achieved, no? Or is only possible kapag nasa USA ka? Yan,
One
even
long-term
no?
goal. Wait lang, parang ano
Oo,
bang Miss Universe man?
oo.
Joke lang po.
Yeah.
One long-term goal, maybe ano po, mag-grow as a PT kasi sobrang laki din po ng, United States. Tapos
Yes.
sobrang dami ng, facility na puwede mong puntahan, maybe mag-skilled nursing facility ka, dun ka sa sports na area or sa sports na magiging sports PT, outpatient, tsaka parang mas, um, anong tawag dito, parang hindi ka mawawalan din ng work dito 'pag nasa, US ka.
Exactly, 'no? Iba talaga the way they value the physical therapists, 'no,
Mhm.
sa United
Sobrang
States.
daming clinic dito especially dun sa city sabi nung mga kakilala ko.
Mm,
So, parang di ka ayan parang secure din yung ano mo 'pag nasa US ka,
yes.
secure yung future.
Right now ba, Miss Asiel, 'no, so you're just doing PT dun sa specific na facility mo or are you also doing per diem, 'no, or parang nagwo-work din outside the facility?
For now po sa ano lang, sa facility ko lang kasi naghahanap pa ako nung ano din, nung ibang facility kung saan puwede akong mag per diem kasi may centers din na malapit dito sa ano
Ayan.
ko, parang dalawa ata yung centers na malapit sa, tinitirahan ko.
Okay. O baka naku-curious yung mga nanonood 'no, ano kayang per diem na sinasabi nila 'no? So, here kasi sa Grand Quezon 'no, so, while you're working with your assigned facility 'no, you can also work, freely 'no, after your hours or after your shift. You are free to practice private PT 'no, or even yun nga 'no, mag-render kayo ng hours or service sa other, skilled nursing facilities 'no, para extrang raket 'no. Parang
Mm.
sa iba kasi yung kontrata nila is that specific ka lang talaga sa facility kung saan ka maa-assign, 'no. So dito hindi, gusto namin yumaman kayo, charing. Yumaman kayo. Sideline, charing.
Yan yung long term goal.
Yeah, yan ang long term goal pala 'no, yung maka-sideline.
Yumaman.
Yes, 'no. So if you will turn back time, Miss Asiel 'no, so will you still choose United States over other countries like Australia, Canada, ganyan?
100% po, opo. Kasi, nalaman ko na kung paano yung ano dito, mag-work dito.
Mm,
I've been living here for, 6 months na rin, parang okey din naman,
hmm,
nakapag-adjust din. So if I could turn back time, USA pa rin.
oo.
American
Walang
dream pa rin.
regrets? Oo.
No regrets.
Regrets, okay, okay, 'no. And Miss Asiel 'no, what advice would you give, to the Filipino physical therapist 'no, aspiring or dreaming of working to work or dreaming of working in the United States, just like you?
Advice ko lang po sa mga gustong mag-US is, you take the risk right now. Kasi
Mm,
yung iba sinasabi na, "Di ako ready." Na-o-overwhelm yung iba kasi sabi nila, bagong lugar, bagong facility, tapos bagong challenges. Eh, meron namang gano'n sa life natin. Pero 'pag kinuha mo yung nag-take ka ng risk na mag-US, magiging, mas tawag dito, hirap mag-Tagalog.
Okey lang
Um,
Ayan, oo.
uh, tawag dito, just, take the risk kasi kahit saan naman may challenge, but yung challenge dito is, worth it. All the struggles that you'll be facing, while you're, um, preparing for your exams, for your applications, it will all be worth it. It will be overwhelming and scary, but it is it is really worth it.
Yes, thank you so much for that inspiring message 'no. Sana yung mga PTs na nanonood din ngayon 'no, so yun nga kung medyo na-o-overwhelm or if you're taking the boards this December 'no, and you still don't know if you would want to pursue a career in the United States 'no, take it from the experience of our PTs 'no. So, they still continued to pursue their American dream 'no, while they practice here in the Philippines, ayan. So if ever you have questions then, feel free lang to book an orientation on the, link na nasa chat box natin ngayon, ayan 'no. And of course, before we end this wonderful, kamustahan with Miss Asiel 'no, kamustahin na rin natin si Miss Asiel 'no, kamusta Miss Asiel? Do you think there is anything na puwede pang i-improve ni Grandison? In terms of our service
Um,
to PTs, 'yan.
of like right now parang
Hmm,
okey naman po lahat. May
oh,
naalala po ako na ano, na medyo na-surprise kami ng dumating sa US kasi di namin alam kung saan kami made-deploy. Pero feeling ko
hmm,
na ano na nila ngayon, kasi may kakilala akong aalis today diyan sa
ah,
ano, so
mm.
alam niya na yung kung saan siya made-deploy. So mas mas ready na sila ngayon. So yun lang naman yung iniisip ko.
Yes, oo. Thank you so much for that feedback 'no, Miss Asiel. I think, the interviews din talaga help 'no, kasi parang the last time, parang may na-interview tayo live, before 'no, sila pero kasi mga na-exit interview na 'to, eh, sila Mr. Ronald, ayan. So parang that's also what they mentioned 'no. I think it will be better or it could help 'no, kapag alam na yung assigned skilled nursing facility kung saan sila ma-assign. And thank you so much for that 'no. So hopefully 'no, Grandison can continue doing that practice 'no, of letting the PTs know kung saan sila maa-assign 'no. Naku, baka biglang sabi ng iba, "No, pangit naman si Grandison 'no, di alam yung ma-assignan." But I think yung factor kasi with that is the retrogression 'no. Siyempre, matagal yung waiting time, sabi nga natin 'no, 2 years to 3 years waiting time 'no. Kung naka-work visa ka, it could be 18 months 'no. So, imagine if it's 2 years 'no, sometimes the employees or the position might be filled in na 'no, kaya kailangan maghanap ulit ni Grandison ng, rehab center where they can place the PTs. But that's also the good thing with Grandison, the job security 'no, the Grandison Secure Placement na anytime you arrive here in the United States 'no, there's a skilled nursing facility or a rehab facility waiting for you, ayan. So, yan. So, are there any other concerns ma'am or issue around working with Grandison that you'd like to share?
Wala na rin naman.
Okay, ayan. So, overall 'no, masaya naman ako to hear the experiences that you have, Miss Asiel 'no. Oh, sorry, last question 'no. Sa 6 months mo sa United States 'no, what is your most unforgettable moment or experience 'no? It can be inside work or outside work 'no, yung parang feeling mo talagang hindi mo siya makakalimutan, 'yan.
Ano po yung, may yung sa patient ko po na parang, sinasabi na lahat na, hindi na makakatayo yan, hindi na makaka-transfer yan, hindi na makakalakad. Ako lang yung PT na sabi ko, andito yung patient na yan everyday, gusto niyang maglakad, gusto niyang umalis, gusto niya matanggal yung Hoyer lift kasi yung ibang patient ginagamitan ng Hoyer lift
Oh,
para
mm.
ma-transfer. Eh, yung patient na yun gustong-gusto talaga. Ta's nakita ko naman na, parang puwede pa kahit, sa age niya.
Mm.
Tapos after 4 months siguro na tinry ko, natanggal na yung Hoyer lift, nakapag-transfer na. Kaya yun, nakita ko rin na parang happy din naman siya. Yun yung di ko talaga
Yes,
ma-forget.
congratulations 'no. And I think talagang yun yung pagiging pundasyon mo 'no, as a PT sa United
Mm.
States. That experience, that having experience na hindi ka rin sumuko as their PT. Yeah.
Mm.
Galing naman, no? I'm very sure that that patient is very thankful to you, Miss Asiel, no?
Mhm.
Just like how we are thankful, no, to you for being part of Grandison. Ayan. Sana marami pa tayong mga PTs na matulungan makarating ng United States to help, no, improve the life of the elderly, no? Ganyan. And yung mga nangangailangan ng PT care sa United States. Ayan. So once again, Miss Asiel, thank you so much for your time, no? We enjoyed this kamustahan and we hope that you achieve all the hashtag long-term goals that you have, no, sa
Thank you
United
po.
States. Ayan. So thank you so much, ma'am. And to all of our viewers, thank you for watching our Espresso Lounge for today. Ayan. So if you have any questions, feel free to message us on our Facebook page, IG, or you can even email us at hello@grandismesc.com. So once again, this has been Jody, and this has been your host for the Grandis Espresso Lounge. Thank you, everyone.